the crown you wear. Celebrating healthy hair. Healthy hair is vibrant, full of life, and a reflection of our inner well-being. It boosts our confidence, enhances our natural beauty, and allows us to express our personal style. When our hair is healthy, we feel our best. However, maintaining healthy hair can be a challenge in today's world. Our hair is constantly exposed to damaging elements, from heat styling and chemical treatments to environmental aggressors and nutritional deficiencies. Over time, these factors can take a toll on our hair, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. But there's good news. Damaged hair doesn't have to be a life sentence. With the right knowledge, products, and lifestyle changes, you can revive your hair and restore its natural beauty. Think of this guide as your roadmap to understanding, addressing, and ultimately preventing hair damage. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets to healthy, radiant hair. Under attack, unmasking the culprits of hair damage. Our hair is incredibly resilient, but even the strongest strands have their limits. Let's unmask the most common culprits of hair damage: heat styling. While we all love the instant gratification of sleek straighteners and bouncy curls, excessive heat styling can wreak havoc on our hair. The high temperatures strip away natural oils, leaving hair dehydrated, brittle, and prone to breakage. Chemical treatments. From coloring and perms to relaxers and texturizers, chemical treatments can dramatically alter our hair structure. While they can deliver stunning results, they can also weaken the hair shaft, leading to dryness, breakage, and dullness. Environmental factors. The environment plays a significant role in hair health. Sun exposure can cause dryness and color fading, while pollution can lead to buildup and damage. Even chlorine in swimming pools can strip hair of its natural oils, leaving it feeling rough and tangled. Fighting back against hair damage can feel like an uphill battle, but with the right strategies, you can restore your hair's health and vitality. Expert solutions for hair repair are within your reach, and they can make a significant difference in the condition of your hair. Now that we've identified the enemies of healthy hair, let's explore expert-backed solutions to combat damage and restore your hair's natural glory. From professional treatments to at-home care, there are numerous ways to rejuvenate your locks. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. The first line of defense against hair damage is restoring moisture. Look for shampoos and conditioners specifically formulated for dry or damaged hair, and incorporate a weekly deep conditioning treatment into your routine. These products help to replenish lost moisture and strengthen your hair from within. Trim those tresses. Regular trims are essential for removing split ends and preventing further breakage. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain healthy hair growth. This simple step can make a big difference in the overall health and appearance of your hair. Turn down the heat. We understand that giving up heat styling entirely might not be realistic, but try to minimize heat exposure as much as possible. When you do use heat tools, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand and opt for the lowest effective heat setting. This will help to reduce the risk of heat damage and keep your hair looking its best. Chemical caution. If you frequently color or chemically treat your hair, consider spacing out treatments or opting for gentler alternatives. Consult with a professional stylist to discuss options that minimize damage. They can recommend products and techniques that are less harsh on your hair, helping to maintain its strength and shine. Treat your tresses. Practical tips for hair care. Your hair is your crowning glory, and taking care of it doesn't have to be complicated. Beyond targeted treatments, incorporating these practical hair care tips into your routine can make a world of difference. Be gentle. Start by handling your hair with care, especially when detangling. Wet hair is more susceptible to breakage, so avoid harsh brushing or combing when hair is damp. Instead, gently pat your hair dry with a soft towel to remove excess water. Use a wide-toothed comb or a detangling brush to gently work through knots. This minimizes damage and keeps your hair looking smooth and healthy. Silk or satin slumber. Cotton pillowcases can create friction, leading to tangles and breakage. This friction can cause your hair to become frizzy and more prone to split ends. Sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase reduces friction, allowing your hair to glide smoothly throughout the night. This simple switch can make a big difference in maintaining your hair's health and shine. Protect from the elements. Just as we protect our skin from the sun, it's crucial to shield our hair from harmful UV rays. Prolonged exposure to the sun can weaken hair strands and cause color fading. Wear a hat when exposed to prolonged sun, and if you're a swimmer, rinse your hair with clean water before and after entering chlorinated pools. Chlorine can be very drying and damaging to hair. True hair health starts from within. What you eat has a direct impact on the health of your hair. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein provides essential nutrients for strong, healthy hair growth. Incorporate foods like leafy greens, nuts, and fish to nourish your hair from the inside out. Section 5. DIY SOS, Homemade Remedies for Damaged Hair. Sometimes, the best remedies for hair woes can be found right in your kitchen. These natural ingredients are not only effective, but also free from harmful chemicals. Here are a few DIY treatments to nourish and revitalize damaged hair, using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Avocado mask. Avocado is a powerhouse of healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that can deeply moisturize and repair damaged hair. It's especially great for dry and brittle hair. Mash one ripe avocado until it's smooth and creamy, then apply it to clean, damp hair. Make sure to cover all your hair strands for maximum benefit. Leave on for 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly and shampoo as usual. This will leave your hair feeling soft and rejuvenated. Coconut oil treatment. Coconut oil is a natural conditioner that can penetrate the hair shaft and help repair damage. It's perfect for adding shine and reducing frizz. Warm a small amount of coconut oil in your hands until it melts. Then apply it to your hair, focusing on the ends where damage is often the worst. Leave on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for a deeper treatment, then shampoo and condition as usual. This will help to deeply nourish and repair your hair. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the pH of your scalp and smooth the hair cuticle, leaving hair soft and shiny. It's also great for removing product buildup. After shampooing and conditioning, rinse your hair with a mixture of 1 part apple cider vinegar and 2 parts water. This simple rinse will leave your hair feeling refreshed and looking glossy. Section 6. Product Powerhouse. Your arsenal for hair revival. Navigating the world of hair care products can be overwhelming, but fear not. Here's a curated list of product recommendations to help you on your hair repair journey. Deep conditioners. Look for deep conditioners that contain ingredients like shea butter, argan oil, or keratin to provide intense hydration and repair. Leave-in treatments. Leave-in conditioners and serums provide ongoing moisture and protection throughout the day. Opt for products that contain heat protectants if you frequently style your hair. Hair oils. Argan oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil are excellent natural oils that can help seal split ends, add shine, and tame frizz. Apply a small amount to damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends. Scalp scrubs. A healthy scalp is essential for healthy hair growth. Scalp scrubs help remove product buildup, excess oil, and dead skin cells, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. Section 7. Lifestyle Makeover, Nourishing Your Hair from Within. While topical treatments and products are essential, true hair health starts from within. Here are lifestyle changes that can significantly impact your hair's health and vitality. Hydration is key. Just as water is essential for our overall health, it's crucial for maintaining hair's moisture balance. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Nutrient-rich diet. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients for strong, healthy hair growth. Foods rich in biotin, zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to hair loss and damage. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for cell regeneration and repair, including hair growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Section 8. Beyond Repair, When to Seek Professional Help. While many cases of hair damage can be addressed with at-home treatments and lifestyle changes, some situations may require professional intervention. Consult with a dermatologist or trichologist, a hair and scalp specialist. If you experience sudden or excessive hair loss, scalp irritation, redness, or scaling, hair breakage that doesn't improve with at-home treatments, or any unusual changes in your hair texture or growth pattern. Section 9. Embrace the journey, your path to healthy, lustrous hair. Remember, achieving healthy hair is a journey, not a destination. There will be good hair days and not so good hair days, but don't get discouraged. By incorporating the tips and advice outlined in this guide, you can create a personalized hair care routine that addresses your unique needs and helps you achieve your hair goals. Be patient with yourself and your hair, and remember that consistency is key. With time, dedication, and a little TLC, you can restore your hair's natural beauty and enjoy healthy, lustrous locks for years to come.